Welcome to the Alliedverse Academy's Ocular Anatomy series, designed for aspiring ophthalmologists and keen learners of medical sciences. This series aims to provide an in-depth understanding of the complexities and nuances of the human eye's anatomy. Throughout the coming lectures, you will gain insights into the intricate structures, functions, and interdependencies that allow the eyes to act as windows to the world, providing vision and depth to our perceptions.
Hello everyone. So basically today we are going to start our series of lectures on eye anatomy and how vision works. So you all know that once we will study about eye, we need to know that what is eye anatomy first. Like what are the structures, how they are formed, what is their function. So all these things are required to understand before learning inside the eye. Human eye is basically allowing all of us to see this world, and definitely it will play a perfect harmony. And this presentation will explore you about external and internal components of the eye, and it will provide you the how your light will be there in the eye and how it will create vision, and you will be able to see it. So basically, this is the thing where how vision works. And we will all examine that how external structures like eyelids, eyelashes are going to protect your eye, and how the internal components such as cornea, lens, retina, how they are working together to process for the visual information. Understanding this is a kind of complex system because it is involving internal and external structure of the eye. And once I am able to understand, or how I am able to understand this complex structure, here is the insightful view regarding the same. So the next one is external eye structure. External eye structure is involving three things: eyelid, eyelashes, conjunctiva. Eyelids, you already know. This is a part is the eyelid, upper eye covering. That is a kind of shield which will able your eye to not have the foreign body sensations directly, and it won't allow you to have the excessive light as well. So basically it is preventing you from the excessive tear production due to the exposure of the eye. And during blinking also, it will provide the tear film to spread over the eye. Tear film, tear film is a part of eye which is there in the lower, which is the upper, which is being a kind of thin line above the lower eyelid. So basically, this is the tear film, and during the blinking, it will get spread. Like this is an involuntary action. The blinking is an involuntary action. So definitely, at the time of blinking, the tear film will get spread. This is a question that will come at the time of Viva, and most of the time the examiner will ask you that what is the function of your eyelid. So you have to tell that the eyelid will help us, or the what is the function of blinking basically. So you have to answer like this, that the blinking is basically providing my eye to spread the tear film all over the eye surface. So basically this is the thing. Next is it provides you to get lubricated and preventing the dryness. You all know that in today's era we all are working on digital eye screen, digital work, as well as we are working on mobile phones, tablets. So definitely at that situation we are having dryness. Our tears will get evaporated. Dryness is tears are getting evaporated due to the exposure of open eyelid. So basically at that situation I need to prevent it, and my blinking helps me to do that. Got it? So eyelashes, next is eyelashes. Eyelashes is basically a first line of defense. First line of defense, why? Because in the eyelashes itself, sometimes the airborne debris will get trapped, and it will reduce your airflow in the eye. So this is the thing that eyelashes do, and this is a kind of protective barrier that will help you to prevent the irritants from reaching the sensitive eye cells. Next is your conjunctiva. Conjunctiva is a part, this is a thin transparent membrane, and it is basically the inner surface of the eyelid, which is covering as a white part. Why, don't confuse it with the sclera. But yes, conjunctiva is also a white part of the eye of sclera, which is just covering that sclera part. It produces mucus and it is helping you to lubricate the eye and provides protection against infection. So this is the first phase. I hope you all got the thing that what is external eye structure. Stay tuned for the internal structure. Like, share and subscribe to know more about it. Thank you.